Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Resetting the service warning light is done with the engine turned off. Turn the power in your car without switching on the engine. Use the selector and go through the computer menu until you access the service message. Once you find the service message, hold the upper selection button down. After a few seconds, the service message will begin to flash. Hold it down until the light becomes stable. Operation completed.